Hey y'all, I'm back finally. So welcome to my update about me video. I am Rosemary Salem, your host on this page. We're just going to give a little history about me and why you should listen to me and what you can expect from this page, okay? And why you need to go ahead and subscribe if you hadn't already, okay? Hit the bell, period. All right, so I'm Rosemary. I went to school for business administration and concentration in marketing and management. My whole career has been about branding, marketing, public speaking, and training entrepreneurs and professionals. Also, now I have the opportunity to share with you that I'm officially a brand ambassador for deeplearning.ai. Yes, so if you've been wanting to up your knowledge on AI and how you can scale your business for growth with AI and automations, I'm your girl. And that's what we'll be talking about here, and everything digital product monetization. As well as I want to cover some entrepreneurship lifestyle, because you know entrepreneurship is not all glitz and glams. It can get ghetto, okay? So I just wanted to welcome you all to my channel officially, and for those of you all who've been here, thank you for holding me down. But we have a lot of content coming. I'm going to be talking about different ways you can make digital products with AI, sell your intellectual property, which is what you know, actually monetizing who you are. Some of y'all are some straight up geniuses, but you're not making money off of it. So I wanted to create a space where you can learn, grow, and connect with me as your AI and automations expert. I have a passion for subject matter experts, e-commerce businesses, anything online business. That's what I've been in for the past 10 plus years. I am a published author, have several works on Amazon, Spotify. I've created devotionals. You'll learn more about me throughout my journey, but I'm not a blabber. I'm just a person that just want to let you know that if there's probably something you want to make as a digital product, I've probably already done it. So this is the space where you can go from idea to execution and actually have someone in your corner rooting for you. Because at the end of the day, whether you are just watching my video just for curiosity, or you are a person who want to take action, you'll be able to do all of that here. So welcome to my channel, and again, hit the bell to subscribe. I got a whole hoodie to remind y'all every video, subscribe, so you'll never miss a video. Bye for now.